starting with steaming because steaming helps open up your pores. As you can see, my skin really needs some help. After steaming with this tool, I'm going to remove blackheads and whiteheads, and please do it carefully. I don't want to gross you out, guys. I have this device, so I will use it as well to remove blackheads. It doesn't work that much, so you can totally skip this device. I am exactly looking like a funny cartoon character. After all this, I'm going to wash my face twice. I am having pimples, so I'm going to apply a treatment on it. Welcome back. I missed you guys so much. So this video is gonna be about a self-care pamper routine in a realistic way. You don't have to have the fancy things, fancy apartment to start with. No, just take care of yourself with whatever you have. This routine gonna be the realistic routine. I do this routine once every 2 weeks. This is so simple, easy to follow. You can absolutely do it at home. I'm going to divide this video in parts. Please subscribe to my channel, watch till the end, and I hope you will enjoy. So guys, now I'm going to apply honey and aloe vera gel because I love them both. They work so good on my skin and they are all natural. Let's try them together. Let me tell you guys, my skin was a disaster last month. Touch wood, now look at me with this glowing skin. काफी लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा मेरी स्किन इतनी हेल्दी कैसे है, मेरे हेयर्स इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग कैसे हैं, मेरे नेल्स इतनी जल्दी ग्रो कैसे हो जाते हैं. वेल, इसका कोई सीक्रेट नहीं है. इट वाज जस्ट सम डाइट, सम स्किन केयर. मैंने अपने रूटीन में एक चीज और ऐड की है, वो है कोलाजन सप्लीमेंट. आपको पता ही होगा हमारी बॉडी नेचुरल कोलाजन प्रोड्यूस करती है जो कि हमारी स्किन इलास्टिसिटी, हाइड्रेशन एंड ओवरऑल स्किन हेल्थ के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है. बट एज के साथ साथ कोलाजन प्रोडक्शन स्लो होने लगता है, इसलिए सप्लीमेंट्स हेल्पफुल होते हैं ताकि सप्लीमेंट से हमें कोलाजन मिल सके. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ सप्लीमेंट्स इन मार्केट, बट आई वांटेड समथिंग जो स्किन के साथ साथ हेयर्स एंड अदर फैक्टर्स को भी बेनिफिट करे. देन आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट द एक्चुअल सप्लीमेंट which contains all of my need, none other than Facecare Let It Glow Collagen Supplement. This is in flavor Pineapple Splash. Guys, let me just talk about this once. This is not just only for skin, this is also for hairs and for nails. This is collagen supplement but with lot of great ingredients. It has hydrolyzed collagen peptide, marine titanium collagen, L-glutathione, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Insane, right? ये 20% तक हेयर फॉल भी रिड्यूस करता है, गिव्स यू एडवांस एंटी एजिंग केयर. ये स्किन को फर्म एंड यूथफुल बनाता है. इफ यू हैव फाइन लाइंस एंड पिगमेंटेशन देन ये उसको भी रिड्यूस करता है. दिस इज इन पाइनएप्पल स्प्लैश फ्लेवर. इट हैज लाइक स्वीट वनीला पाइनएप्पल फ्लेवर. आई जस्ट लव एवरीथिंग अबाउट इट. जस्ट टेक अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर एंड एक स्कूप डेली पानी में मिलाकर इसको पीना है. अगर आप भी नेचुरली ग्लोइंग स्किन और स्ट्रॉन्ग हेयर चाहते हो तो Facecare लेट इट ग्लो कोलाजन को अपने रूटीन में जरूर ऐड करो. अगर आप इसको कंसिस्टेंटली यूज करते हो तो आपको रिजल्ट्स पक्का दिखेंगे. You must try this collagen. It is really so good, healthy and tasty. And if you guys want to try it right now, then for the fastest delivery, it is also available on Blinkit. Just order it and try it out. Well, I'm going to use a glycolic acid toner. Firstly on my neck, then my hands, and then arms, and then knees, and then elbows. Glycolic acid toner helps to exfoliate your skin. Don't forget. Now I am applying glycolic acid on my feet, but not going to show you guys. I'm applying it like this. We are done. A lot of creators are making shower routine and pamper routine where they show their shower routine basically. But guys, I am preparing myself for it. Like, I cannot just. But the thing is that I'm preparing for it to film it like very simple. I'm assuming that a lot of you will understand that why I'm not making that. But guys, I was thinking that if you see my shower routine, you will fall in love. Because my shower routine is so cozy, so nice, has so many products. I literally spend 40 to 50 minutes in the shower and I do a lot of things, and because I like to do, because I feel from my heart that it really brings me peace whenever I do full pamper routine. But the thing is that I can talk about the products that I use, like in the last shower what I used, and the body care products that I'm literally obsessed with. But I'm making this video. This is not the shower routine, but what I do, like I like to apply body oil and body butter. I'm currently obsessed with vanilla like smell, so I'm using vanilla like products, body mist, perfumes and body oils, body lotions. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching and liking this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to check out Facecare Collagen and like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm so grateful to have you all. Until next time, bye guys.